At the Oregon Department of Environmental Quality, we have one mission: to be a leader in restoring, maintaining, and enhancing the quality of Oregon's air, land, and water. That's no small job.
Wildfire smoke is one of the biggest air pollutants that we have to be worried about in Oregon, though it's really important to monitor wildfires when they break out. So we work with state and federal agencies to produce our own advisories that we issue to the public so that they can take measures to protect their health. DEQ also regulates and monitors air pollution from cars, factories, and other industrial processes to ensure environmental health for the public.
Here at DEQ, my job is to clean up and restore lands so that they can be safely reused. So at this site, and at many other sites across the state, we're creating new economic opportunities for the community, and we're also creating important wetland habitat for a variety of fish and wildlife species.
DEQ collects water quality samples in order to learn the status and trends of the water quality in our waterways. Oregon has some of the most amazing water bodies in the world, so it's important to keep them safe and healthy for fish and for drinking water, and just for the pure enjoyment of our cold, cool streams.
Oregon has some of the most beautiful places in the world. We owe it to our children and our children's children to protect the air we breathe, the water we drink, and this great land we call home.
Oregon. There's a lot to protect.